students, class 10, exercise number 4.3, question number 4. In a rectangle WXYZ, XY plus YZ is given as 17 and YXZ plus YW is equal to 26 centimeter. Calculate the length and the breadth of the rectangle. This the rectangle is given. Let me take it as length as A and breadth as B, right? So this is A, means in a rectangle opposite sides are equal, right? Then B, this is also B. The first condition is given, XY plus YZ is equal to 17, then XY is equal to B, YZ is equal to A. B plus A is equal to 17, that is A or B. A I take here itself, then A is equal to 17 minus B as equation number 1. We want to find out, that is A plus B is equal to 17. Here A is equal to 17 minus B. I take the equation number 1. Next, we see that in triangle WXZ, because we want to find out what is XZ and YW. See that in a triangle WXZ, this triangle, right? This is the triangle WXZ. So XZ is equal to XZ square. It is a right angle triangle. So this is 90 degree. In triangle, I draw here simply. This is ZWX. So in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse side square is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So XZ square is equal to WZ or ZW square plus WX square. Here WX is A, ZW is B. So XZ square is equal to A square and B square. Let me take it as A square and B. This is A square, this is B square. Let I take it as A square plus B square alternately. So WX is equal to A and ZW is equal to B. Now we want to find out XZ only. XZ means root of A square plus B square, right? And then in triangle, next we want to find out YW. What is YW? This is the distance. Let me take this triangle. Another triangle is, this is the triangle WXY, right? I draw here roughly. This is the triangle WYX. In triangle WYX, it is also a right angle triangle, so 90 degree. This is B, this is A, right? So longest side WY square is equal to WX square plus XY square. So WX is A square plus XY is equal to B square. We want to find out only WY. So we take root of A square plus B square. So the second condition is given as XZ plus YW is equal to 26. So XZ plus YW, XZ plus YW is equal to 26. We know the XZ value, that is root of A square plus B square plus YW is also root of A square plus B square is equal to 26. If we add this, we get 2 times of root of A square plus B square is equal to 26. I take this 2 to another side. We get root of A square plus B square is equal to 26 divided by 2 is equal to 13. I am squaring on both sides. If I square the term, this term will be squared, means root and square will be cancelled. Then A square plus B square is equal to, if I square this, 13 square is equal to 169. If I square here, root and square will be cancelled. Here 13 square is 169. Right? By the squaring of both sides, we get A square plus B square is equal to 169. Now here we have in equation number 1. In equation number 1, we have find out that is A is equal to 17 minus B. Now I am going to apply the value. See, in the place of A, I am applying the value 17 minus B whole square. A value is 17 minus B and we have a square. So plus B square is equal to 169 by equation number 1. Right? Now A minus B whole square formula, that is 17 square minus 2 into 17 is 34b plus b square. Here we have 1b square is equal to 169. Right? Now 17 into 17. 17 into 17. 7 7s are 49. Remaining 4. 7 1s are 7. 119. 1 7 9 8 2 89. Right? Here we have b square plus b square is equal to 2b square minus 34b. This is plus 289. I take this 169 to this side, minus 169 equal to 0. So 2b square minus 34b, when we subtract this we get 20 equal to 0. See, all the numbers are even number, so divide by 2, we get b square minus 17b plus 10 equal to 0. Sorry, here when we subtract we get 289 minus 169 is 120. 289 minus 169, 0 to 1, that is 120. So half of 120 is 60. Right? 289 minus 169 is 120, and then divide by 2. Here we have b square 17b, here 60 equal to 0. Now simple factorization, when we multiple we need 60, when we add or subtract we need minus 17. See, here we have positive value, here we have negative value, means here we have both the negative. So 12 5s are 60, minus into minus plus. If we add we get 17, right? So b minus 12 into b minus 5 equal to 0. This is the two factors. Then b is equal to 12, here b is equal to 5. b minus 12 equal to 0, then b is equal to 12, b minus 5 equal to 0. That is the form, right? b minus 5 equal to 0 means then b is equal to 5. 5 in this form we get b is equal to 12, b is equal to 5. Substitute that b is equal to 12 in equation number 1, and also substitute b is equal to 5 in equation number 1. Right? The first equation is a is equal to 17 minus b. In the place of b, a is equal to 17 minus 12, that is a is equal to 5. When b is equal to 12, a is equal to 5. And then here a is equal to 17 minus b, that is 17 minus 5 is equal to a is equal to 12. When b is equal to 5, a is equal to 12. That is the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Let me take it as the length is equal to 12 meter and breadth equal to 5 meter. Thank you, students.